Welcome back. In part 3, we'll concentrate on communication, international trade and tourism. Starting with communication, children, which are the communication methods, how communication is classified. Coming to the classification, children, we have we have personal communication and mass communication. Communication is divided into personal communication and mass communication. And coming to the postal service, children, postal service, Indian postal network is the largest in the world. Indian postal service, it's the largest in the world, using mainly for personal communication and for the easy distribution or faster distribution of postal network. We have classified into two, children, that is first class mail and the second class mail. The first class mail includes cards and envelopes. First class mail includes cards and envelopes, and in the second class mail, book packets, registered newspapers and periodicals. So what we have discussed, we just started with the communication. We have personal communication and mass communication. Coming to the personal communication, we are using postal service, and the modern new methods are also using, children. Telephone, mobile phones, emails and all we are using. But in your textbook only personal and mass communication is mentioned, children. That is why I am talking only about that. We know now we are using modern methods of communication. And for the faster distribution, postal service is classified into two types, children, the first class mail and the second class mail. In the first class mail, it includes cards and envelopes. Second class mail includes book packets, registered newspapers and periodicals. Move on to mass communication, children. That means giving awareness to a group of people at the same time. It may be through television, radio or newspapers. That is mass communication. Mass communication. It may be in the form of an entertainment or awareness. So it provides entertainment, creates awareness among people about various national programs and policies through radio, television, newspapers, etc. Mass communication to a large number of people at the same time. And it's also mentioned about the feature films, children. Films. A few points are mentioned in this topic. So coming to the feature films, India is the largest producer of feature films in the world. We have due to the number of languages, from India, the more number of feature films. Every year, different languages. So India is the largest producer of feature films in the world. And coming to the certification, who is providing certification to the Indian and foreign films? It is the Central Board of Film Certification. Central Board of Film Certification, it's the authority or it's a department which gives or which certify Indian and foreign films. So what we have discussed, children, communication is divided into two, personal communication and mass communication. For personal communication, we are using postal service, okay, or mobile phones or land phones or emails, okay. So those methods we are using. Okay, coming to the mass communication, same time it may be an entertainment program or an awareness program to a large number of people at the same time through radio, television, newspapers, etc. Mass communication. Okay, then about the feature films. India is the largest producer of feature films in the world, and which authority gives a certification to the Indian and foreign films? The Central Board of Film Certification. Next topic, children, international trade. You know the meaning of trade. Okay, yeah, domestic trade you know. International trade, trade between two countries. Trade between two countries, we can call it as international trade. And coming to international trade, children, yeah, advancement of international trade is an index of that country's economic prosperity. Okay, if a country is getting more foreign exchange through trade, that country will be more prosperous. Advancement of international trade is a sign of economic prosperity. Okay, so we can call this international trade as an economic barometer of the country. Okay, if a country earns more foreign exchange, that country is more prosper. Okay, that country is earning more foreign exchange. So, international trade is also, okay, or is also considered as the economic barometer for a country. And coming to the international trade, major exporting and importing item. Okay, major imports. We will discuss the imports first, children. Major imports are imports to India, to our country, are petroleum, coal, machinery, chemicals, etc. Major imports. And coming to the major export, information technology, children. India export information technology. Okay, and now India has emerged as the software giant at the international level. Okay, so what we have discussed, children, what is international trade? Trade between two countries. And this international trade is considered as the economic barometer of a country. And which are the major imports to India? Petroleum, coal, machines, chemicals, etc. And which is the major exporting item from India to other countries? Information technology. Okay, yeah, information technology, we are more exporting from IT sector. Related to international trade, children, one balance of trade is mentioned in your book. Balance of trade or BOT. What is balance of trade? It is the difference between export and import. Balance of trade or BOT is the difference between export and import. Okay, and depends upon the export and import. It may be favorable BOT or unfavorable BOT. What is favorable BOT? Favorable, that means when the value of export exceeds the value of import, it is favorable BOT, favorable balance of trade. Okay, coming to unfavorable. If the value of imports are more, if the value of imports exceeds the value of exports, then that country will have unfavorable balance of trade. Okay, so what we have discussed, children? Okay, it's a topic included in international trade, balance of trade, or BOT. What is BOT? Is the difference between export and import. Okay, depends upon the export and import, that country will have favorable BOT or unfavorable balance of trade. Okay, what is favorable balance of trade? When the value of export, okay, that means the country is exporting more than the import, then the country will have favorable balance of trade. Coming to the unfavorable BOT, if the value of imports are more, if the country is importing more from other countries and exports are less, then that country will have unfavorable balance of trade. Last topic, children, last topic, last slide, tourism. Okay, tourism as a trade. Okay, we know India is a tourist sport, and we have ranked world's 4th best holiday sport. Okay, India ranked as the 4th best holiday sport. Okay, and why purpose of tourist? Okay, why tourists are visiting India? For different purposes, children. For example, they may be coming for heritage tourism, ecotourism, adventure tourism, cultural tourism, or medical tourism. Okay, for medical treatment. Okay, for they are coming to India for medical treatment. Okay, so we call it as medical tourism, children. Okay, if a foreigner or a person from other country is visiting India for medical treatment, okay, we are earning foreign exchange. Okay, and so that is included under medical tourism. Okay, then this medical tourism, heritage tourism, adventure tourism, all those are earning foreign exchange. Okay, and it also promotes national integration and support to local handicrafts in India. Okay, tourism as a trade. Okay, it promotes national integration, at the same time it provides support to local handicrafts and earns foreign exchange. Thank you, children.